Hello and welcome to History Through Question.
Today's topic is polygars. Polygars are the offshoots of Nyankara system. Nyankara system we will already covered in detail in our previous lectures. So Nyankaras are the simple senior military commanders under Vijayanagar Empire. And they formed an important part of Vijayanagar administration as well. Okay, so ये जो पॉलीगार सिस्टम है इट वॉज क्वाइट सिमिलर टू द राजपूत सिस्टम that is prevalent in the North India and the polygar systems it is in the southern India or the South India. These polygars are all also known as the Palayangakanas or the Palayagars. So they were the land controlling warrior. They used to control the land controlling warriors that are subordinate to the Nayakas, senior military commanders under the Vijayanagara empires. In the Tamil country, in the Vijayanagara empire. So sometimes what will happen, the king granted the Amaram. Amaram we already covered. So Amaram or the territory with a fixed revenue to these military chiefs. To these military chiefs. In returns, ये जो पॉलीगार्ड्स थे, पॉलीगार्ड्स की क्या ड्यूटी थी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैड टू मेंटेन अ फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ foot soldiers, horses, elephants for the service to the state when the state called upon. Service to the state. So ये जो पॉलीगार्ड्स हैं also had to pay a sum of money to the central exchequer. Along with this, they also had to pay a sum of money directly to the central treasury or central exchequer. Okay, so they formed a very powerful section and sometimes it was even difficult for the government to control them. Okay, so ये जो पॉलीगार्ड्स थे इनको ये अमारम टेरिटरी दी जाती थी और ये जो थे अंडर नॉमिनल कंट्रोल ऑफ द किंग. उनके किंग का कंट्रोल बहुत ही कम होता था. नॉमिनल कंट्रोल ऑफ द किंग. इनकी कुछ ड्यूटीज़ दी जाती थी. तो यूज टू मेंटेन द ड्यूटीज़ जैसे कि फुट सोल्जर्स हो गए मेंटेन करना, अपनी थोड़ी सी आर्मी मेंटेन करना, हॉर्सेस, एलिफेंट्स, और एक फिक्स सम ऑफ मनी सेंट्रल एक्सचेकर के पास अपना उसको सबमिट करना. और उसका और जो अपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में ये फुल्ली इंडिपेंडेंट और ऑटोनॉमस की तरह एक्ट करते थे. सो व्हेन द सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी कभी भी वीक होती थी, व्हाट विल हैपन, सो दे बिकेम powerful sections and sometimes it was even difficult for the government to control them. Okay, so as Vijayanagar empire declined in the later half of the 16th century, as Vijayanagar empire declined in the later half of 16th century, so what will happen, these polygars started or begin to revolt against the Nayakas because they are subordinate to the Nayakas. नाउ जब उनकी सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी वीक हुई, जो विजयनगर एम्पायर का डिक्लाइन स्टार्ट हो गया 6th सेंचुरी में, लेटर हाफ ऑफ द 16th सेंचुरी, सो दिस पॉलीगार स्टार्टेड टू रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट द नायकास एंड it resulted into bloodshed and civil war like situations. Okay, so many of the polygars and the Nayakas, such as those of Tanjore and Madurai, they were independent from that time. ओके जब विजयनगर सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी वीक हो गई तो ये जो पॉलीगार्स थे और जो नायकास थे ये अपने आप को इंडिपेंडेंट कर लिया. ठीक है, अब ये किसी के सबॉर्डिनेट नहीं है, इनके ऊपर किसी का भी मीन्स कोई भी सॉवरेन नहीं है, ते इटसेल्फ बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट. However, ये जो इन्फ्लुएंस था और जो पावर था, इट इंक्रीज बियॉन्ड द ट्रेडिशनल लाइन्स एंड दे ऑफ्टेड एक्टेड एज अ सॉवरेन वन. They often acted as a sovereign ones to the extent, ठीक है, वो अपने आप को सॉवरेन कंसिडर करने लगे. सो अब वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करने लगे टैक्सेस फ्रॉम द पीपल. ओके, बट later when the East India Company came and this company government sought to control them and it resulted into polygars wars which we discussed later. Okay, so polygars or the polygars were the feudal lords who were appointed as the military chiefs and administrative governors from the time of Vijayanagar empires in the part of the southern India. Okay, so they were given the charge of Palayam or a group of villages. So it was the polygars who used to collect the taxes from the cultivators. Okay, in simple terms, who are the polygars? So polygars, these are the feudal lords who were appointed as a military chief and administrative governors from the time to the Vijayanagar Empire in the southern India, and they were given the charge of Palayam. Palayam is a village or a group of village. So it was the polygars whose duty is to collect the taxes, various taxes from the cultivators. Okay, now let's see one question related to the same. Which among the given statement are correct about the polygars? First statement says that the polygars are the offshoots of Nayakara system. Second says that the polygars had to maintain a fixed number of foot soldiers, horses and elephants for the service of the state. You have to choose the correct answer. In order to attempt this question, please pause this video screen and write your answer in the comment section below. Here the correct answer will be C. Both the given statements are correct. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day.